Okay guys, so what we're doing today here, we're going to take this garage floor out of here. Pretty busted up. We're going to replace this floor. Old floor. Hello. How you doing?
I'm good. What a surprise.
Yeah, I'm going to do some demo today. A little video of it. Boys are unloading Carl the Kubota. All these flags are tipping the wrong way. Settled underneath there. We're going to pull all these flags out of here. Big holes underneath them too. Big hollow voids under there. Settled. So we got to replace these foundations underneath these things. So that's what we're going to do today. This one's all busted up. I'm hoping these pop right out of here. We'll see.
We're looking for a buried treasure. Is there any money under there or gold nugget?
Well, I hope they're all like that.
Yeah. I don't know whether this is 100 years old it's been here or...
It's been here over 100.
I think so.
Yeah.
I don't know how it...
Hey guys, Bondo here. So we got hired to take out the 75 feet of concrete apron and this old garage floor. This house was 100 years old according to the customer, so this concrete was in rough shape. These flags here that were popping out looks like they were poured individually, which I kind of knew that when I looked at the job, that I could probably get them out of there with the forks on my tractor. So that's what we did. We popped them out, and underneath them was just a bunch of fieldstone, like tons and tons of fieldstone had been thrown in there, right on top of clay. So, you know, they had squirrels and mice and chipmunks and stuff living underneath these things in the voids between the rocks, and it was just a mess for them. So they wanted to get rid of this. We're going to pour all new concrete in here, and we're going to stamp the concrete. And I'm also going to put a drain inside this apron just because there's not a lot of pitch here. The ground's kind of flat, so I'm going to put a French drain down through there with like a trench drain inside this apron, and then we're going to run it probably like, it's over 100 foot. I'm going to run the exit line to this drain out to daylight because there's a low spot in his yard that pops out on the other side of his driveway. So that's what we're doing. Just wanted to show you how we remove this concrete. And at the end of this video, guys, I'm going to show you how to set up a cool foundation for like a deck or a pier. They're called Bigfoots. If you haven't seen them before, I got another video where we used them on a big deck foundation that we built for somebody for a real big deck that they wanted. So I like these things. Like I said, at the end of the video, we're setting these. So stay with us. This concrete kind of boring, but at the end we're going to set those sonotubes and those Bigfoots for some piers. So stay with us. That's what we're going to do. You guys have never been here before. My name's Ron Bond. I got a company called Bondo Built Construction. We do a lot of concrete work and flat work and this type of demo stuff. We do Nudura foundations, anything to do with concrete, and then in the winter we fix up houses and stuff. My friends call me Bondo. That's why my company's called Bondo Built Construction. We try to have fun while we work, get the job done, and also teach you guys anything I can teach you. I've been doing this stuff for like over 30 years, so I got a lot of knowledge on these subjects, and I'd like to share it with you. If anybody's got any questions on any of my videos, go ahead and hit me up. I'll be glad to answer any of your questions. And hit the subscribe button for me if you haven't already, guys, if you're new here. And throw some comments at me. If anything you want to see or anything like that, or you got some comments on my videos, go ahead and comment. and share on social media too if you would. So guys, here I am at my house unloading these flags. I don't even remember how many trips there was, but this job's pretty close to my house, so we just took these flags of concrete and busted pieces, and I got a cliff at my house that I throw all these pieces of concrete in and stuff, so that works out pretty good for me, and just makes my lawn bigger every year. We've been throwing stuff down in here for I don't know how many years, but the lawn just keeps extending and extending. So I got the little Yanmar excavator. It's an 8,000 pound machine. It does a nice job with stuff like this, and you can move it around, so I really like it. It's a VIO 35 is the model excavator. It's a nice low hour machine I picked up last year, so we use it a lot. Do a lot of work with this thing. And I only dropped one piece of concrete on my trailer fender too, so I did put a pretty good dent in it. I was able to hammer most of it out, but I wasn't happy. I picked it up with the excavator, and the thumb slipped and bang right on top of the fender, so it kind of irritated me. Anyways guys, if you like this video, why don't you hit the like button for me? That would be helpful for me. I've been trying to expand this YouTube channel, so that would really help me with the algorithm on YouTube. The algorithm, just a fancy word to say they'll start recommending my videos so I can get out there a little better. I've been doing it about a year, a little over a year, and I've gotten like 300 and something subscribers now, so it's starting to grow. So if they can help me out with that, that'd be awesome. Thanks guys. Yeah. So this is the whole garage. It's on the trailer there. Plus all that. Plus all this. These were drain pipes that were inside there. Huge balls of concrete with a drain in them. Like a cast iron drain. There's the rest of it. A lot of stuff. So that's it. Except these pads. We're gonna deal with these pads that are actually structural. They were added on. We're gonna deal with them, but other than that, she's empty. Got a lot of clay in here, guys. It's really sticky. Hard to tell in the video, but that's all clay. Here you can see this is clay. When I step in it. How much clay that is. That's why she failed. Old stuff. Old concrete on top of clay. Bad combination, guys. Bad combination. So guys, we were able to just cut this concrete into chunks. We never even used a jackhammer. I don't own a jackhammer. I usually rent one if I need one. So that's how we ended up doing it. It kind of worked pretty good because we were able to take them out in big pieces and put them on the trailer here. So that actually worked good. We did another one this year, a small garage, and we ended up using a jackhammer, but that had a ton of rebar in it. This one popped right up. Like I said, this floor was 100 years old. Let me know in the comments what you guys think, if that you would have done this different. Take this out different. If you would have used a jackhammer or maybe a skid steer with a jackhammer on it or something. Let me know in the comments, guys. those pipes over there. Those
Oh.
pipe things.
Like blank with
Blank.
Plank. What do you think?
Let's see how wide they are.
You guys said I'm special.
Jay, how wide is it?
Yeah, give me a width measurement, will you, Buckshot?
Big biscuit over there.
Come on, Big Biscuit.
98 and 1/8.
98 and 1/8, is that what you said?
How wide is it?
5 inches. 5 inches wide. Jay didn't even use the tape measure for that.
98 and 1/8.
I know what 5 inches looks like.
This footage is useless.
Edit.
No, leave it in there. Good entertainment. Oh.
Put me a pencil or something.
I got one right here.
Boop.
Little biscuit on top.
LB, can you hold that little biscuit? Where
Pick
you fall in here?
the shortest guy to hold it.
What do you say, 98 or something?
98 and 1/8.
Oh,
So what we're doing
look
here,
at the saw.
figuring
got it.
out
Jay, go grab the skill saw.
how deep we want this sono tube and
Skill saw.
how much distance we gotta cover from here to
That
there.
gives us a straight shot down to here. We're gonna fill this with concrete. Backfill it.
And then she'll be good to go.
The old
Then
plumb
we're
bob
gonna put
chalk
the-
line.
We're gonna put the posts on it. The old Bigfoot won't let her pick up, won't let her settle. It's down 4 foot below here with the cross line around here.
Yep. And
Good.
the post we're putting up is about 5 inches wide. 98 and 1/8 long.
I thought you wanted to know the width for like a center point, maybe. But
Big biscuit. Biscuit, can you cut this? So we got our thing propped up here, our roof system. And we're putting Bigfoots in. That's what they look like. Down 4 feet. And we're backfilling. So if I don't move, we got a plumb bob hanging off the top. So that we know we're keeping center. I've jumped down in there and kind of stomp around that thing as you're filling it in. Pick that rock up. Pack it in good. Yeah. Without, you don't want to move it too much either. That's how we're going to do it. And they will not lift. I said it before and I'll say it again. They're not going to pick up. The Bigfoots will not lift. Right, Puss? Biscuit? Big Biscuit.
Yes, master.
Yes, master.
Ishmael. Where's your hat,
Yes,
Ishmael?
It's in my truck.
Ishmael Jebediah Yoder doesn't have his hat on today. That's what we're doing today.
So we got Ron here learning how to run the shovel instead of Carl for once. He's struggling a little. Got
still
a
hasn't learned how to park, Carl. Probably.
back.
No rocks over here, boys.
Gotta backfill these sono tubes a decent ways with some dirt so they don't lift up on us when we're putting concrete in them. We've had that happen in the past.
No, my name is just Puss.
Look at the sheer technique around. The speed,
Precision.
the precision, the accuracy.
Speed and precision. Ain't no phony baloney around here.
And his drive to get that money.
Good dirt, boys. Yeah, excellent dirt.
We got some good dirt here.
Best clay around.
Premium clay with a little bit of pipe in it. It's good for it.
Good stuff.
Some real good stuff. Oh. Little biscuit's leaking a little.
Spicy Italian urban cheese.
Spicy Italian urban cheese leaking out. Ron's tuna sub is holding up pretty good. He's energized. It was the garbage man today. Took 2 loads.
Yeah, 2 loads to the dump.
2 loads to the dump. If you're gonna be a garbage man, you be the best garbage man you can be, Ron.
Right. Biscuit, our human tamper. Get down in there.
Come on, Big Biscuit.
Biscuit's our human tamper.
Get in there and roll around a bit.
Roll it, Biscuit. Roll that beautiful biscuit footage.
Look how thorough he is with his
Roll
work.
that beautiful biscuit footage. We got BB in the hole.
Oh, Jay,
Get down in the hole.
Your titty's blocking the camera. I'm gonna need you.
Move that titty. We're trying to get Move that titty. We're trying to get some beautiful clean footage here. Alright, see you guys later. We're having so much fun, you guys. I'm out of here. Can't have this much fun. It's not even like it's work. Bully. Bully.
Jay's going home. It's past his
we could put some
bedtime.
rock back in there.
A little bit of rocks around the outside for extra stability.
Around the outside? Well, we don't get it where the sun
Around the outside.
We don't get it where the thing is.
Honestly, it's been a good day for the Bondo Built crew.
Of course it has. Why'd I dig the hole so big, Ev?
I don't know. You were digging to China,
I
man.
did this one pretty big.
I told you, you were out a little ways.
I don't know what he was doing here.
He was just loving Carl.
Me and Carl were having a moment with each other.
Well guys, that's about it for this video. So if you liked it, you learned from it, or if you're just plain entertained, subscribe, hit the like button, throw me a comment like I said earlier, guys, and we will see you on the next video. Thanks.
Put some more dirt in there, boys.
Honestly, she's about good. Just a little bit.